Happy 4th of July, everybody. And happy 250th anniversary of the U.S. Declaration of Independence here in downtown Las Vegas. I hope it's a good one. This is so good. Look at the colors, the fireworks in the sky, they're so fabulous. Cool. This is fair. That's a big firework. Wow. All the fireworks. I think the fireworks in New York City had ended, and at least it's now displayed here in Las Vegas and also in Los Angeles. I hope you enjoy I hope you enjoy the fireworks. These are really cool. Yeah, so beautiful. I love it. Yeah, cute. Yeah, cute fireworks. Oh, there's the Encore Hotel. Treasure Island is in renovation right now. Yeah, currently that hotel's in renovation, getting a new wall. That's Trump. That's the pool. That's a river. And there goes the cars. That's traffic. On Thursday, we're going to Universal Studios Hollywood, guys. So, yeah. That's my air conditioner, my air Wow, the fireworks are red. I feel lucky with that. What's your favorite part of the 4th of July? Let me know in the comments below, and like and subscribe and share this video with your friends. This is a very cool and happy 250th birthday, United States. I'm sure. Yeah, this is so amazing. Celebrating 4th of July is the best holiday ever. Costco is closed on. Costco is not operating every 4th of July. The 6 other holidays are New Year's Day, Easter Sunday, Memorial Day, Labor Day, Thanksgiving, and Christmas. Costco is not open on those days, including this one. It's already midnight in the United States. In New York, so the uploading date in New York is July 5th, while here, it's July 4th. That's Independence Day. And my friends out there, you can watch this video if you would like. My friends in New York, I miss you very much. And I will see you guys when I get back to New York. Just about 8 days left before we go back there. I cannot wait. This is so cool. And wait, that logo is an American. Wow, look. Zoom in, and that's where. Wow. Okay, the video's 7 minutes. Okay, I want to continue. Yeah, the signs. Oh, wow. That's a lot of. Wow, it's booming. Wow. Wow, so beautiful. Okay, that's it for the. I think the fireworks are over, but I hope you guys enjoy the fireworks, guys. So thank you for watching. Have a happy 4th of July, everybody, in Pacific, and happy late 4th of July out for you guys there in New York. And take care, folks. This is Isaac's Media Corner 2011 signing off.